So, welcome to Chaos on Wheels. I'm not sure what edition this is. It's probably just going to keep rolling on. And this is where we're at for today's Chaos. Ate Jamo's sandwich and bit him on the finger in doing so. And, well, we started off today. Let's go down to storage and sort out our life down there. Because now we have an engine, which is a long story. But instead of going to storage, what are we doing?
Putting a sticker on. Needs to be done. So we're doing it. By all means, I am not a professional at all. If you're a vinyl person, sticker person, please do not watch this because you will cringe.
And we have a Jamo in there because he wants to go on the broom broom. So he's strapped himself in and he's watching that iPad. Up here, buddy?
An iPad.
Yeah.
Okay, Mum.
Yeah. We haven't even got down to the storage unit, which is what we talked about doing this morning. That's how our life goes. We did sort this drawer out though. Comes with our lights. Whoops, good camera work. We didn't even know these lights existed for a little while because there's a switch here and it never works, but you've actually got to have the drawer all the way out. And yes, I did pull the whole top apart with Jess there one day to work out what was wrong, only to find the connections are at the back here and there's nothing wrong with it. So yeah, for a whole year we didn't even know it worked. Got tools in here and tyre repair underneath, straps, LED light, torque wrench, so tyres, big socket set, awning wall, first aid, drag chain and other four-wheel drive accessories, four-wheel drive tongue. So yeah, this drawer is done. This drawer is not fully finished, but we've got dog stuff, utensils, kettle, cooker. So that'll be ongoing for a little bit. And we now have a solar panel on the top. So yeah, we're supposed to go to the storage unit, and that's as far as we got. Turned into bacon and eggs for lunch and fit stickers to the patrol.
I still might go down to the storage unit, but it'll probably be after the boys go to bed, if I'm honest.
Oh, right.
Don't sound enthused.
Not really. I might as well make a start on that diesel heater.
Yeah. Does that look straight?
And Cheeky has got a cold and he's inside.
Yes. Yes, he's not a well bird.
No.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
So we are unboxing this diesel heater that we have now had for
a week.
We were just celebrating, for those that don't know us, we were just celebrating the other day that we bought carpet and fitted it in the same weekend. We bought solar panel and fitted it within 2 weeks.
Within a week, wasn't it? Oh, 2 weeks, yeah. Of the Ranger, 2 weeks. A week.
Yeah, and what else? We bought the mattress and fitted it in the same weekend.
Yep.
And now we've had this for a week. We're celebrating. Normally we buy shit these days and it takes us months. Well, I'll give you a short story. We bought something for Jess's Ranger before Christmas. It's still not fitted. Anyway, comes with a tank. You would have thought they'd put diesel on it. Comes with the instructions. And there it is, the piece of resistance. This is what we've all been waiting for. Remote control, so we can control it from the bed.
Because I'm sick of getting up.
Come in, I'm off from the And it's got this thing here, it's got temperature control in here, it's got the Bluetooth apparently. Do you reckon we really need to change that? Fuel pump. The piece of resistance. This is a 8 kilo. We've already done the whole story. How we got
Kilowatts.
8 kilowatts, didn't we?
Kilowatts.
This is way bigger than what we already have fitted.
That ain't gonna probably fit in the spot.
No, don't say stuff like that. Apparently Vivor is the new Temu.
Is it? And Daryl bought extra pipes to put another vent in. Piggy's just sitting in there, he's eating something. Yeah. Yeah, that's alright. Piggy's fine. Oh yeah. Good night. Righto.
Comes with a didgeridoo. Hello, child of mine.
Can you give that back to Dad, please?
Thanks, buddy.
I wouldn't put your mouth on that. Have you done a poo?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Can I look, please?
Just put that on camera.
Yes, I did.
I was thinking about putting this fuel pump outside.
Yeah.
Because it annoys me that we've got diesel coming into the car. So, for argument's sake, people that want to know, for size reference,
It's huge.
Mom?
when she says you don't have to worry about the ex-boyfriend. The ex-boyfriend.
Hey, where are you putting all the money, Cuzzy?
I'm putting mine in my butt.
Righto. So I'm going to need some side cutters. It is significantly different.
What's wrong?
It's different. Like as in, it's not going to just unbolt and bolt in. Right, no, the true difference until we get into it. And where do we want the new... Because I'm voting that we move this. Because we can't have the kids put it into that panel. The kids keep... I've just disconnected it. The kids keep turning it onto power supply.
Yes.
And it is not good.
Becoming a problem.
It's becoming a problem.
Mommy.
Where were you thinking of moving it to?
I'd love it on that panel, but that's a lot of work on that. It won't fit.
Is that all of it? Pockets ain't empty because...
There was a part of me that was thinking that we could put that there, but it's going to end up the same problem. Thing is that this is where the temperature sensor is. So the temperature of the heat has to get down to this level before it'll actually kick out properly. Otherwise, we could take advantage of it being on a sensor like this and like have it up here and run the wire through the pole, and like I don't know if that'll work or not, but just have it a bit higher so that it makes the temperature a bit more accurate. Bye, mate. There's a part of me that just says put it there and see how it goes.
Pretty much.
And if it's no good, then we do something about it. Righto. Well, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing, but there'll be a time lapse on this, I assume. diesel heater is definitely coming out now because I've cut the wires. So that's the fuse that we were bypassing before with the earth circuit. So I've just cut that out. Okay.
I said Tino, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, I said Tino. Look out there.
Oh, that's Cheetos!
Yeah.
Can I have one?
Yeah, there.
Thank you. Nom, 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 nom.
That's a that's one female.
Yum.
Yeah, it's you, what's that? Yeah.
Mmm. Guess what? Everything is bigger.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Gonna unbolt it from underneath now, so you won't probably see that because it's too hard to move the camera. I've just unbolted everything underneath, so this should just come up. That's interesting. So they've got something stuck in the inlet. It's the wiring to the primer by the look of it, like to the heater. Why do that? Doesn't make any sense. New one's not like that at all. That's a bit average. Can't really see. It's this bit here. It's different. I guess the real question is what size everything is. If you can see that, to these sizes as to how much I've got to change underneath. Looks pretty good, really. I'll go get my verniers, I'll measure it up. I'll get this outside so there's no diesel inside. But yeah, that's the new air vent, and it is definitely bigger than that one. Measure it up, see if it's going to fit. Even the inlet and exhaust are bigger.
That's when he knew he fucked up.
I don't think it's going to be a problem though. I reckon it's the same size piping underneath anyway, to be dead honest. So it is a fair bit different, but I'm going to try and use that mount there. That's what was in it. So I'm going to try and reuse that. It's not fitting. That literally just fell in as I was doing that. That's in now. That's the old one. That's the new one. Massive difference. So we need to drill a bigger hole. Shut. Well, that's where it's going. So, you can't make this shit up. I was doing this earlier today, running late as usual. Basically, it got close to tea time, so we had tea, and the kids are going crazy, so the kids are in bed. And I took the diesel heater out, and we're going to need it tonight. Can't make this up.
The temperature in Leongatha right now is 6 degrees.
So basically, I'm not even stressed if that's the way it's going to stay for the night, but I got to get the rest of it working, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to crank up some tunes. I've got to run the fuel line outside. So we are doing a voiceover because this footage did not flow very well at all. So the intention was, I think it was as we left out there, that I was going to show the fuel line fitment. That did not happen. My dad come down to give us a hand, and he doesn't want to be on film, so that is fair enough. So we've just basically kept the film running in the background, and we just kept working. So a lot of this is me and Pa talking and Pa patting the dog over there in the background. But the long and short of it is a bit of this time was taken up. We didn't know. I was thinking of going direct to the battery to wire up the diesel pump because at the start of this whole thing, if you remember, we had flickering lights, and a lot of that was introduced from the old diesel heater. So I didn't really want that to happen with this one. But then in the end, I was like, I kind of want it so that we can isolate it. So if we forget to turn the diesel heater off, we can still isolate it outside on the main switch. So we've put it into the switchboard, which is what I've just done there. And basically we took the original wiring as a test to see what this diesel heater would do. And the diesel heater's been great. We have not changed the wiring at all. And we've been a bit delayed in getting this video out to you. So it's actually now we're in like the 31st of the 7th, and the diesel heater has not missed a beat. So we haven't changed a single thing. But in this video, you'll see in a moment that heater vent for this night, we just ran it so that it would work, so we could use it because it was a cold night. And then the following day, we actually cut the holes in the camper to run the vents properly. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happening here. And you see that right there, that is how we run it for the night, and it works fine. So yeah, on with the show. Right now we are showing you the temperature of the day. It is 4 degrees and it's balmy weather. And that panel I've got in my hand right there is a Bluetooth controller, so I've got it connected to my phone as well. But right now I'm just reading basically how to start the diesel heater. So it does take a few goes to prime. You got to get the diesel up to the system before it goes. I didn't work out a quick and easy way to do it. I just kept turning it off and on. Probably took me half hour, but half a dozen goes, and eventually it took off. So yeah, we've obviously sped a bit of that up because a lot of this does kill a fair bit of time. But yeah, it did kick in eventually, and it started working really good. So, take like 3. I've got the demo out here with me, and we finished this at what, 11 o'clock last night. And I won't say finished, what we did is we put the diesel heater in, and it works really good. Happy with it last night. That's him there, and that's literally how we ran it for the night. So I just put an air vent on so I could keep it in that direction, and quite frankly it worked pretty well. So now I've just got to secure this fuel line, because at the moment it's that green one, and put some conduit on it, and I think you'll see the green lines hanging down all the way along with a fuel filter. So yeah, just got to make it all nice and neat and put some air vents in. That is the plan, and we have more air vents here. So we should be able to get air up both ends of the camper, so the boys can sleep with us. A lot better than what they were. Hey Tom, I got one more to do, man. No, the drill. Yeah. No. No, not the chainsaw, the drill. I want the drill. The drill. Zing zing. Oh, the drill. Will you fix yours and I want it back? Good job. I'll put it on there and you pull the trigger. That's it. Okay, thank you. That's the old fuel line. And that is why it had a hard time. It's so thin.
Daddy, look,
Yeah.
a pie fly.
So I'm hoping that goes over the new fuel line. Hey. Laughing. Yeah, mate. Screwdriver in a minute. 5 minutes. Yeah, right. Yeah. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Oh, thanks, man. Hang on with ya.
Is he allowed to have the drill?
He is, but I'm going to want it back soon.
Daddy needs the drill, mate.
He's been taking it off me and cheeky bugger.
Oh, I have to answer this. It's the Therapy Connect people.
Oh,
Are you
right.
going to be right with the 2 boys?
Yeah. What do they call it now? Hello, man. And what brings you this far under the camper trailer? Hey? Why, what's your head? Oh. What's your head? Hey, Tiggy, don't hit that, man.
Is it working?
Oh, it's working.
Hey?
Which bit?
Has he got it all together? Is it right?
Oh, it's not all together yet. Get on here with me, dog. So I'm putting these on the conduit, these are the P clamps that were holding it all together. And I was just trying to put it back to the way I found it, but it wasn't really that good. And our fuel line is easier to be squashed than the old one. So instead of trying to jam it on the same P clamps, I've still using the existing holes because there's a gas line here too. I'm using the mounting for the gas lines for some of the P clamps. And then I'll just cable tie like this loose. I don't know if you can see that loosey bit here.
No, we can't see anything.
You know where my finger is? So what I'm talking about is, there's our fuel filter. That's one P clamp. And then they had the other one here with that brake cable. So that's just a handbrake cable. But it was really tight. And trying to put the P clamp there, I just think it was going to squash the fuel line. So I'll cable tie here. And I moved the P clamp to there, so it's not squashing anything. And then I'll pick up the rest of the existing holes, that one, and one up there, and it should be good.
Whoa, look at the grass on you.
I know, Gemmo's been stressing about it. I've run out of conduit though.
What's a different size, is it?
No, I don't know, we didn't do anything different, but somehow I've used more conduit running it on the new one than... Oh, I don't know how that happened. But... The update is the week was chaos. I've had some big nights. Here we are. I think that's why I'm going to run the ducting. Just got to drill some holes.
Every day.
Yeah.
Bye.
What have I done with the...
No.
What have I done with the air vents, man? It's not quite the right size, but we're going to run with it, see what happens. This will be the hardest hole to drill because I can't do a pilot hole. Let's see what happens. Down, ready? Can Dad have it for a minute?
Yeah,
Can Dad have it?
yeah. Can I put it back there?
Hang on, let's have a look here. Alright, ready? Oh, Jesus. Hang on, mate. Not a very easy hole to drill, this one. There you go, Pa.
I don't know that.
That ain't gonna work. I haven't damaged it, I just don't think I can hang on to it. So, I've got one hole drilled. Just realised I've got the handle in the picture, but anyway, we've got one done. And got the other hole drilled, but it's just a bit small. So I've just got to burr it out, which is what I'm doing now. One's in, another one's in. Ended up using tech screws. Now I'm just going to vacuum and clean everything up and then fit those ducts. I'm not sure where I'm going to have the wiring yet, but I'm going to fit the duct. Welcome to Chaos on Wheels.
I got the wheel. The wheel.
Anyone want to trade a couple of kids? Way too much energy to be in here, mister. Well, settle down there. Whoa! That's the last of the finishing touches of the diesel heater. I'm obviously going to cut these off. Just some stainless steel clips just to keep it off the cigarette plug and stop them from moving. Happy with that, that's good. And I'll just get some other clips just to secure that wire. I'll show you that in due course, but I've got to get these kids out of here.
My boy.
Driving me crazy.